Guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Cancers. Thank you all so much for joining me here, Cancers. So this is going to be your daily reading, Cancers, for your general energies and also for your love energies, Cancers. So let us see what is coming up for your general energies, Cancers, and then we will be moving on towards your love energies, guys. I will be using the Rider-Waite deck as usual for your general energies. So I'll be taking 3 cards for your general energies and 3 for your love energies. For your general energies, okay, so this says the whole story. So let us start with the 7 of Wands. So this card is all about working. This card is all about doing what you feel is right, going towards what you feel is right, manifesting what you have to manifest into your physical reality, doing whatever you feel like doing and the need to manifest it and all of that. So this card is a card where it is like a person who is very, very responsible, a person who is working hard to get to his goals. So this can depict you. So you are like represented as this person who is working too much to achieve your goals, a person who is obsessed with achieving his or her goals, doing whatever it takes to achieve the goals, and that is the energy that I'm getting here definitely for you guys. So you are the person who is working a lot to get to your goals, to manifest what you have to manifest into your physical reality, to get to the point where you want to go. So that is the energy that I see here with the Empress, with the 4 of Cups, and with the 4 of Cups in reverse, with the Empress, with these both cards. I can generally see that someone may be pregnant from your environment, or someone has to do something with a childbirth. It can also be you who is pregnant, or someone near you. You might get a news of a person's pregnancy, or you might the situation can be like involving children, because that is why we have the Empress here. But the Empress also represents a kind, nurturing, loving energy. So Cancers, today you're not only going to be responsible, but also you're going to be kind, loving and nurturing to the people near you, to the people around you guys, okay? And that is an amazing, great energy. So this is what I'm getting here for you guys for the Empress card. And if you can see this Empress here with this floral outfit, it also represents beauty as well as patience. It represents so many different things, guys. The Empress card is all about waiting for something. It's all about not acting weird. It's all about doing what she or he wants to do. It's all about being in that silent space but still achieving whatever it is that you have to achieve. So this card has different so many meanings, guys, and this is not just one meaning of this card, my lovely Cancers. And what I can see with these cards is that definitely you do have a lot of dreams that you want to achieve, and maybe that does involve children. Okay, with the 4 of Cups in reverse, you are in a position where you will not accept love from others, where you would not want to accept love from others, but right now you are okay to get the love that you want from the people around you. You're okay to accept the love that you want. You're okay to accept whatever you want from the people around you. You don't think too much. You're not this person who is judging everything. So you're fine with everything. You're fine with how the situation is turning into. You're fine with how everyone is treating you, or you're fine with the situation completely, is what I can see here, guys. You're fine with how everything is turning out according to your expectations and everything. Okay, So this is what I can see here, my lovely Cancers. So let us move on to your love energies, Cancers. So for your love energies, so let us see what is coming up for your love energies, guys. We have 3 of Cups, 2 of Pentacles, and we have the 8 of Cups. So this is all about like this person trying to make a decision. They're trying to choose something. They're trying to understand certain things that they have to face. I mean, this person has to face the truth. I mean, everybody has to face the truth, and we need to do what we're supposed to. We need to manifest what we're supposed to. And this person's concerned about everything that they need to go through. They're concerned about their life. They're concerned about the people around them. I can see here that this person's not just concerned about themselves, but they're mostly concerned about everybody else around them, guys. And they have to make a decision that definitely involves you in it, because we wouldn't get the card if not it involves you guys. So definitely they have to make a choice between many things, and they really are confused. But when they think about you, when they think about the times that you have spent together, when they think about all the good moments, all the good memories that you shared, this card right here, guys, the 3 of Cups, this card is all about celebration, and it also represents how amazing this person felt when they were with you. It also represents how happy, how excited they felt when they were with you guys. Okay, and this person really like right now they are totally blank. They don't know what to choose, they don't know what to do. But once they think about the situations you were with them, once they think about all the happy moments that you shared, you were good friends more than you were good partners, and once they think about all those happy moments, it makes them realize that you are important to them, and they want to like hold your hands, and they want to talk to you about how they want to manifest things with you. And mostly they will apologize to you for their behavior. They will come forth and tell you how they regret the situation turning out this way. They have a lot of things to express to you guys, but they also don't know if you would accept them for the way they are. They don't know if you would love them for what they are, and you would be with them. Okay, so yes, guys, this person does really love you. They do really care for you guys. I can see a strong, loving, caring feeling from this person. But most importantly, I'm really sorry if any kind of disturbance. And this person, I can see here, Pisces, that everybody is talking, I mean Cancers, that this person is talking about you to many people. They don't know what they're doing without you. They don't know where they would be without you. They have a lot of positive feelings when it comes to this relationship. And most of all, guys, they want to like I don't know why I'm getting this energy again and again, but they want to hold your hands, and they want to accept how much they love you. They want to accept and embrace the love that they have for you. They want to agree that they love you and they care for you, and they want you to be the one for them. They want you to accept them. They want you to be with them. They want you to encourage them in each and every way. And this person's really doing all of this for a reason. They're manifesting all of this for a reason. And yes, guys, this is all I'm getting here for this person, my lovely Cancer. So yes, guys, thank you all so much for watching, Cancers. Bye, guys. See you all tomorrow, Cancers. Bye.